Question is, if P, Q, R and S are the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS, find value of A। इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास P, Q, R, S के कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन हैं और हमें क्या करना है, ये जो पॉइंट P है इसके कोऑर्डिनेट है a, 3। हमें फाइंड करनी है इस A की वैल्यू। We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So OP equal to OR, OS equal to OQ. This implies O is midpoint of PR and O is midpoint of SQ. So both midpoint are at the same position O. We will use this concept here. So suppose we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. This implies O is midpoint of diagonal PR, and O is midpoint of diagonal SQ। मीन्स मिड पॉइंट सेम है और मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करने का फार्मूला है हमारे पास x1 प्लस x2/2 y1 प्लस y2/2। हम क्या करेंगे, पहले इस डायगोनल का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे PR डायगोनल का, फिर SQ डायगोनल का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे और x कोऑर्डिनेट जो है उनको हम कंपेयर करेंगे। तो मिड पॉइंट ऑफ PR कोऑर्डिनेट्स of midpoint of PR are given by O equal to A plus 8/2, A plus 8/2, 3 plus 2/2, x1 plus x2/2, y1 plus y2/2। Similarly, coordinates of midpoint of diagonal SQ are given by O equal to 9 plus 6/2, 9 plus 6/2, y coordinate is 4 plus 1/2। Point is same, so x coordinates are equal, y coordinates are equal, 3 plus 2 5/2, 4 plus 1 5/2। तो comparing x coordinates, comparing x coordinate of O, we get a plus 8/2, a plus 8/2 equal to 9 plus 6 upon 2. 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 2. 2 will cancel 2. This implies a plus 8 equal to 15. This implies a equal to 15 minus 8 equal to 7. So finally value of a is 7. तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या किया हमने कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर। सबसे पहले हमने डायगोनल पी आर का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड किया, उसके बाद डायगोनल एस क्यू का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड किया और उस मिड पॉइंट को हमने क्या किया, कंपेयर कर दिया। देखिए y कोऑर्डिनेट है इक्वल आपका 5/2 5/2, x कोऑर्डिनेट है आपका a plus 8/2, यहाँ पर है आपका 9 plus 6/2। कंपेयरिंग a plus 8/2 equal to 9 plus 6/2, 2 will cancel 2, so a plus 8 equal to 15, so a equal to 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Next question is the line segment. The line segment joining the points A 3, 2, A 3, 2, B 5, 1 is divided at the point P, is divided at the point P in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1, and it lies on the line, and it lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. We have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. What is question here? Line segment joining the points AB. So we have a line segment AB. What is A? A is 3, 2. What is B? B is 5, 1. It divided at the point P. It divided at the point in the ratio 2:1, and it lies on the line. This point P lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. Suppose coordinates of P are x, y. So this point lies on the line segment AB, and this point also lies on the point on the line 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. So coordinate of P will satisfy this line, this equation of line. So first we will find P by using section formula, then we will put value of x and y in this equation. This is the concept of solving this question. So coordinates of P are given by using section formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon n plus n. What is x1 y1? Compare x1 y1. x1 is 3, y1 is 2. Compare here also. x2 y2. x2 is 5, y2 is 1. x1 is 3, y1 is 2, x2 is 5, y2 is 1. Okay. Let p xy lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0 and divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally. So coordinates of P are given by using section formula. Coordinates of P by using section formula. By using section formula equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. तो इसमें वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए. व्हाट इज एम एन? कंपेयर करिए. m is 2, n is 1. here m 2 plus 1, 2 into x2 plus n into x1. What is x2? x2 is 5. x2 is 5 and x1. What is x1? x1 is 3. 2 plus 1, 2 into y2, 1 into y1. What is y2 here? y2 is 1. What is y1? y1 is 2. So this is equal to 2 5 ja 10 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1 3 comma 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 1 ja 2. So 2 plus 2 upon 3. This is equal to 13 upon 3 comma 4 upon 3. So these are the coordinates of P. These are coordinates of P 13 upon 3 comma 4 upon 3. This point P lie on this line. So we will put x equal to 13 upon 3, 4 y equal to 4 upon 3 in this equation. The coordinates of P are x comma y equal to 13 upon 3 comma 4 upon 3. P lies on 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. So putting x equal to 13 upon 3, y equal to 4 upon 3 in equation first, we get what we get. We 3x, and value of x is 13 upon 3 minus 18. 18 into y. Y is 4 upon 3 plus k equal to 0. 3 will cancel 3. 3 6 ja 18. Yeah, 13. 6 4 ja 24 plus k equal to 0. So 13 minus 24. What is 13 minus 24? Minus 11 plus k equal to 0. This implies k equal to 11. So what we did in this question? First we find coordinates of P by using section formula. After finding value of x and y, we put value of x and y in the equation 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. Then finally we find k equal to 11. Next question is, our next question is find the coordinates of the point R. Find the coordinates of the point R. Find the coordinates of the point R on the segment joining the segment joining the points P minus 1, 3 and Q 2, 5 such that PR equal to 3/5. PR equal to 3/5 of PQ. What is given in this question? We have to find the coordinates of the point R on the segment joining the points P and Q. So we have a line segment PQ. Coordinates of P are minus 1, 3. Coordinates of Q are 2, 5. R is a point on this line such that PR equal to 3/5 of PQ. And we have to find the coordinates of the point R. First, suppose coordinates of R are x, y. Answer: let coordinates of x are x, y. We have P, we have Q. Compare with x1, y1, x2, y2. What is x1? x1 is minus 1, y1 is 3. What is x2? x2 is 2 and y2 is 5. But we have not ratio. We have to find the ratio. What is given? PR equal to 3/5 of PQ. So PR equal to 3/5 of PQ. This implies PR upon PQ equal to 3/5. Suppose PR is 3A and PQ is 5A. because this is ratio. So PR upon PQ equal to 3A upon 5A. So what is PR? PR is 3A. This implies PR equal to 3A length and PQ equal to 5A length. PQ is 5A. But I have to find length of RQ. So what is RQ? RQ is 5A minus 3A. RQ equal to 5A minus 3A, which is equal to 2A. So RQ is 2A. I have to find ratio of PR upon RQ. Now, PR upon RQ equal to 3A upon 2A. 3A upon 2A. So 3A upon 2A. A will cancel A. 3 upon 2. This implies PR ratio RQ equal to 3 ratio 2. This means R divides PQ in the ratio 3 ratio 2. So value of M is 3 and is 2. Now we have to find coordinates of the point R. So we can find coordinates of point R by using section formula. So coordinates of point R by using section formula are given by mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Put value. What is m? M is 3. What is n? n is 2. 3 into x2 plus 2 into x1. What is x2? x2 is 2. And what is x1? x1 is minus 1. m plus n. m plus n. 3 plus 2. So 3 into y2 plus 2 into y1. What is y2? y2 is 5. What is y1? y1 is 3. Simplify it. 3 to the 6. 2 1 is 2. Upon 5, comma 3 5 is 15 and 2 3 is 6 upon 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 upon 5. 15 plus 6 is 21 upon 5. This is your final answer.